I'm running a bit late. The transport's just... I hope I can make it there. Just finished work now. My job there is quite tiring. I wasn't really looking forward to today because they said it was going to be raining during the flight. Can't really be excited while you're slugging away inside the store. But now that it's finished, that's brilliant. I'm running a bit late. The transport's just... I hope I can make it there. You must be joking. You think I'm going to be late for this type of thing? Really easy to get here. And I think I'm there. Oh, look at that. Okay, that was not the place. Well, it's right next door. Look at that. Oh, and this is the place for sure. It looks absolutely correct. The weather's been a little up and down today, but I had a conversation with it and it looks like we're going to be good today. I can't wait. This is amazing. I can't wait. So I'm here on time, half an hour early, should go into the briefing. I'm going to go into it.
Yeah, but then you have to
Yeah, let's do that, and then we'll get one just coming to this side there. There's your left hand side. Nice. So we're just waiting for
flight number 1 in a helicopter. I've never stood in a helicopter before, or even been close.
You just hit through. We've got quite a lot going on.
And today we're going to fly.
So they won't
I'm
let
going
us
to fly
start until. So he's coming.
that ride was really good. Thank you. So that was just an excellent. That this is one of those things I've wanted to do for such a long time. The weather forecast today was extremely accurate. One of the reasons I like traveling, I just like going on buses, I like going on trains, I like going on planes, boats, helicopters. Just love that feeling of jetting somewhere and seeing the world going past. We managed to take off. It was nice and sunny. We got into the air, and as we were turning back, we could see the localized rain, and we flew back into that, and that's when it started to feel like turbulence. That was amazing. That was fantastic. That was awesome. Just about missed the rain.
Well done, Harry.
I could do this again. I feel really good.
I wouldn't fancy going up in that boat now. Well, we'll go again. Next time.
Yeah, I agree again.